Hello! Today's video will show our travel to Florida Keys and what we did in Key West. We had some really good food. We went on a glass bottom boat tour. But first, on our way down, we got a flat tire, and here's what happened. This was definitely no fun. So it happened later in the day on Thursday, and even though we had paid for roadside assistance, we could not get anyone to come help. We went back and forth with the insurance and with the closest roadside assistance provider. We ended up parking overnight with the tires still mostly flat, and we regrouped in the morning. We phoned insurance and roadside assistance again, but they were having trouble finding somebody to come help us. I guess even in busy cities in Florida, getting anyone willing to show up is difficult. We ended up finding a tire place that was close enough that we could limp the RV over to it from where we parked, and they were able to help out. Thankfully, it turned out to be just a bad valve, so we didn't have to replace the tire completely, which saved us a bunch of money and time. And then once the tire was finished, we were back on the road and able to check into the campground we were staying at early in the afternoon. This was super stressful, but thankfully the tire place was very cool with helping us find out what was wrong and fixing it that day. So after we set up, we took some time to take in the views and relax for the rest of that evening. And then the next day, we caught the local bus into Key West and wandered around until we found a really good restaurant to grab some brunch. We stopped at a place called the Breakfast Club 2 for a late breakfast lunch. Romar ordered their nitro cold brew, which you can add flavored syrups to. He added some coconut coffee syrup. This drink was so good. I ordered the Mimosa, which comes with Blanc de Bleu and Don Q passion fruit rum. This drink is one of my all-time favorite mimosa variations. It's so pretty and it tastes awesome. For our entrees, I ordered the BC Benet, which has 2 poached eggs on Canadian bacon and an English muffin smothered in their homemade hollandaise sauce. Romar ordered the Lobster Benet, which has warm buttered lobster and poached eggs on an English muffin smothered in a traditional hollandaise sauce. Both dishes were absolutely delightful. The eggs were done perfectly, the sauce tasted so good, and the lobster was well cooked so that it didn't taste too fishy. We also ordered a side of cheesy grits. So good. We loved everything we ordered. So after we finished our meal, we took some time to wander around Key West to see some of the sights. After our wandering, we decided to stop at Kaya Island Eats for dinner. For our appetizers, we got the Boom Shakalaka coconut shrimp with bang bang sauce, the Hawaiian pork sliders with mango key lime slaw and guava lava sauce, and the conch fritters with Creole remoulade. Every one of these starters was delicious. The shrimp had a great crispy batter with a buttery coconut flavor, the sliders had a great toasted bun, and the slaw tasted tangy and amazing, and the fritters were fried just right and had a cornbread-like texture for the breading, which I really enjoyed. For our entrees, Romar ordered the Killer Fish Tacos, which is a half pound of mahi-mahi with key lime slaw and mango pineapple salsa, and I ordered the Macadamia Coconut Catch, which is their catch of the day with Thai peanut sauce, hoisin accent mango salsa, and ginger jasmine rice. Romar enjoyed his dish very much. The mahi-mahi was nice and flaky and not dry. I thought my dish was also really good. The hoisin sauce and Thai peanut sauce went really well with the salsa and the fish. There was so much rice, though, that I had leftovers for another day. This restaurant has a lot of fun, different dishes, and I definitely go back to try some of the others another day. So while in Key West, we booked a glass bottom boat tour from Fury Boat Tours. I'll leave a link in the description. This tour takes you to North America's only living coral reef, where you can see the marine life and the coral through the bottom of the boat. They have a guide which talks about everything you'll see. This was a fun excursion that takes about 2 hours out of your day and departs a few times throughout the day. I recommend booking in advance as they can fill up, and you'll often get discounts if you book online. So that was a fun day, but we had to go back to our RV for a few work days. The next day that we had off, we decided that we liked the Breakfast Club 2 so much that we decided to go back and try some more of their food. They did not disappoint the second time we were there either. I decided that I liked Romar's cold brew so much from the first time that I ordered my own this time. It was so good. I ordered the croque madame and Romar ordered their biscuits and gravy and the lobster and grits. I really enjoyed the croque madame, which was French toast stuffed with ham and melted Swiss with an over-easy egg and their homemade hollandaise. The biscuits for the biscuits and gravy are scratch-made and covered in their sausage gravy, and the lobster and grits are cheesy grits with buttered poached Maine lobster and homemade pico de gallo, and a drizzle of chorizo oil. We enjoyed everything we ordered so much. The French toast was cooked just right, and the combination of sweet and savory hit the spot. It was a great start to this day as well. We ate outside because it was such a pleasant day, but after our meal, we took some time to explore the inside of the restaurant because the decor was really cool and fun. So that's the highlights of our stay in the Keys. I forgot to mention that we stayed at Sunshine Key RV Resort. It's a pretty nice RV resort to stay in. They have a pool and are close to boat launches and a marina. There's a state park that is like 1 key south that we hope to explore in the future. But that's it, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.